Today, we're taking a closer look at the Zopsc-1 2-in-1 coffee mug warmer phone wireless charger. This innovative device combines two convenient functions in one sleek design. Let's dive in and see how it performs. First off, let's talk about design. The mug warmer is crafted with aluminum alloy and features a waterproof, easy-to-clean conductive glass surface. This not only looks elegant but also ensures durability. Plus, the extended plug adds versatility for different scenarios, making it suitable for various setups. Using the mug warmer is a breeze. Simply plug in the cord, tap the switch, and place your mug on the surface. That's it! The device automatically switches on, providing heating and maintaining a constant temperature to keep your drink warm till the last sip. This feature is perfect for those who enjoy leisurely sipping on their beverages without worrying about them cooling down too quickly. One of the standout features of this mug warmer is its fast heat conduction, ensuring your drink reaches the desired temperature quickly and remains warm for an extended period. Additionally, the device maintains a 360 degrees constant temperature, preventing any deformation over time. Now, let's talk about the wireless charging feature for your phone. It's a convenient addition for those who like to multitask while enjoying their hot beverages. Simply place your compatible smartphone on the designated spot, and it will start charging wirelessly. It's efficient and eliminates the hassle of dealing with tangled cords. In terms of specifications, the Zopsc-1 mug warmer operates on a 9-volt voltage and weighs just 271 grams, making it lightweight and portable. Overall, the Zopsc-1 2-in-1 coffee mug warmer phone wireless charger is a versatile and practical device that combines functionality with style. Whether you're working at your desk, relaxing at home, or on the go, this mug warmer ensures that your drinks stay warm while keeping your phone charged. If you're in the market for a convenient solution to enjoy hot beverages and keep your phone powered up, this could be the perfect choice for you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.